These are underrated products that more women need to be talking about. They are so good. They are so different. Like every single thing in this video is very different from one another. So if you're interested in anything, it'll all be linked down below in the description box, and I'll pin it as the top comment in the comment section. The first underrated product that many women still have not tried is buying and wearing a good quality, supportive, 100% seamless bra. So these are by the brand Ebby, which is my favorite seamless bra brand. And what really inspired this whole video to be posted right now is their bra BOGO sale. So if you're watching this on August 1st through August 5th, you can shop their bra BOGO sale, which is like the best I've ever seen them do. This is crazy to me. So they gave me a promo code you can enter at checkout. It is Shea BOGO, and you can buy one bra and get one completely free. So there's no exclusions, there's no exceptions, there's no catch. It's crazy to me. Anytime I've mentioned Ebby in the past, they've given me a promo code, but it's only been for 15% off, which is still like really cool, but buy one, get one completely free is amazing. So I just wanna share a few of my favorites for you to consider. But again, any bra on their website applies to this, so you can click around and see what you would actually like to try. All right, so this is their Relief bra. This is their #1 bestseller. Like everyone loves this, so maybe consider this one, which I'll get to in a second, but I wanna share my personal favorite. Like this is the one I'm like, please try this one. It is their wireless bralette. Oh my goodness, the most comfortable thing ever. You will put this on, not even feel like you're wearing anything at all. And that's the thing. I've recommended seamless bras in the past that I really liked. However, so many other seamless bra brands out there don't actually provide support and lift. And a lot of you commented back to me about that. This is a brand that they have sizing from extra small all the way up to 4X, and they provide so much lift and support in the way their bras are designed. But back to this one though, it's so stretchy. The material is really thin and soft. It's almost cooling to the touch and to the skin. The straps are a lot wider so nothing digs into you. It just moves with your body, and it provides a 1-inch lift. But then back to the Relief bra. So this has quite a few interesting features and design elements that no other bra has. I'm actually wearing it today, but in the lavender color, and I specifically wore this shirt to show you. It really is 100% seamless. You know, if there was gonna be any lines, this shirt would show it. So this is completely wireless, but it does have what's called soft wire technology. So if you notice that line underneath, that's still going to give you the lift and the shape that you really want, but it is so much more comfortable than like a wired bra. And then along the side, it has the 3D support wings that really stretch and mold to your body. And then in the back, it does clasp, so that's adjustable. The straps are adjustable. And again, it's just gonna give you everything that you want. And then their other top seller is the Support Bralette, which honestly is kind of a battle between these two. These are definitely the best sellers, but this one is different in the fact that the back is actually mesh, so it does not clasp in the back. You can slip it on really easily. The mesh is really breathable and comfortable. It gives a 1-inch lift, but the straps are also thin and adjustable. Everything comes in so many different colors. The size ranging is great. They have matching underwear, which are fabulous as well. So again, don't forget to use code SHEABOGO at checkout to buy one bra and get one free. Next we have compression packing cubes. Okay, very different than normal packing cubes. A lot of you watching, you love your packing cubes. I hate them. I'm sorry, just normal packing cubes. I can't get behind. I know you guys are organized. You like it. You put your different things in the cubes and then they fit nicely in your suitcase. I want to be like that. I do. I just don't like it. It's a waste of time to me. So I was doing my like deep searches on Amazon. I found these compression packing cubes that were like on deal. They had like amazing reviews. So I ended up ordering them. Game changer. I know that word's annoying, but truly, like, if you hate checking a bag, or if you want to take like 70% more than you probably need, buy these compression packing cubes. They're phenomenal. This is just an example I'm going to show you. This is like a stack of t-shirts and sweatpants this is like how much it would normally take up in your suitcase. So then you get one of the packing cube things, you slide it in, and then you can add a lot more. Like I added socks, I added tank top, bra, like I could have put so much more in here, but what you do then is kind of like push on it. I tend to like just put my knees on top, and then it has this really interesting zipper that goes around the packing cube like a couple times actually. I don't even know how it's done. It's like the most interesting sewing design, but you just like zip it all around and it pushes out all of the air, but you don't need a vacuum. You don't need all these stupid plastic things, and it compresses down the clothes so much. I'm just making this number up, but it seems like 70%, and you are able to fit and pack so much more in your suitcase. It's phenomenal. And then we have this ponytail baseball cap. That's what I'm telling you guys. This whole video is such random things that are just underrated, people aren't talking about. For the longest time, like, I could not find a good baseball cap that I enjoyed wearing, because sometimes I do want to have my hair up, and most people, or most women, when they put their hair up wearing a baseball cap, they have to like put it through this annoying little hole, which is really low and it doesn't look very flattering and nice. But this one, really cool. There's different colors and designs. You don't have to get this one, but if you notice the back, it's open. So you can actually put your ponytail through this, but have it higher up. And it's more comfortable, number one. Number two, it looks so nice. It makes your hair look really full. It's just like a really cute hairstyle. And again, it's just way more comfortable. And so now I can finally rock a really cool baseball cap. And then we have another bug catching tool, because I love my bug catching tools because I don't want any bugs in my house, okay? I still stand by my bug zapper thing. I like that thing, but a lot of you want to save the bugs. So this is for you. And the thing is, honestly, depending on the bug situation, this one actually might be better. It just depends. But let me just share this to you. More people need to know this thing exists. It's great to have in your house. So it's like this really sturdy, like lever thing. There's this slidey button that you can slide back and forth. And so say you see a spider on the floor or on the wall, you get this thing and you just like cover it up, okay? And then you just slide the lever and then it captures it in this box. Actually, there's also a magnifying glass there, so if you really want to examine it, I would never do that, but it'd be great for kids. Then you just take it outside and you release it. I know a lot of that's important to a lot of you, which I'm glad. More power to you. I kind of just assess the situation, and sometimes this is actually easier to do. I don't like any smushing. If there's smushing involved, I don't like this. There's no smushing, and so this is great for me. And again, more people need to know it's out there. So these are the Lume acidified deodorant wipes, and they're very different than any other deodorant wipe I've tried or shared or ever talked about. I did not know these existed. I think a lot of people don't know they exist, but the people that have tried these, I mean, they are repurchasing. They're very interesting. I'm, in general, just like super picky when it comes to deodorant. I'll only use healthy, clean, just like good ingredient deodorant because it like goes to this area. I'm picky. But these are just different. So you wipe yourself with these deodorant wipes. It's not actually putting anything there, but it's actually just balancing the pH level of this area, which just neutralizes and wipes out the odor from ever even like starting. This actually has 24-hour odor control, which is really interesting. And I do think it really works, like really. This just comes in a 3-pack and I'll just grab one, wipe my underarms. You can use it anywhere over your body and you're good to go for like the next day. Now, I've also been pretty darn vocal on my channel that I no longer wear any perfumes or fragrances, which kind of sucks because maybe I just smell bad all the time. I don't know. Well, no, I don't, because I wear the healthy deodorant and now I'm wearing these. So like, I don't think I smell bad. I just don't like smell like anything. And it's kind of sad. And I miss the perfume. I do. So I have in the last 3-4 months discovered Orabella, which this is new. It was actually a brand started by Bella Hadid. It's, Gigi Hadid's sister. Like these are models, like beautiful people, okay? But they are very holistic in their beliefs. They have a lot of health problems, actually. She has Lyme disease, and so she loved fragrance and perfumes her whole life, and then she realized like how freaking bad they are for you to be breathing in all day. So she came up with these essential oil based perfumes. There's no alcohol, no fragrance. It really is essential oil based and they're amazing to me. I just got like the travel size because I didn't know like if I was even gonna like them. My favorite scent is Window to Soul. I'll link it below and you can like read kind of like the scents and see what you might wanna try if you wanna try anything. The Blooming Fire is my second favorite. And then there's another one that's green. That's what it looks like. I forget what the heck that it's called, but it's definitely more like woodsy and it's definitely something women can wear. But I actually gave it to a cousin and it's a guy and he really likes it. So it's kind of like it's something that a guy could actually wear as well. Because it is essential oil based, you have to shake it before you use it and it will actually turn white and then you can spray it, but you have to spray it on your skin and rub it around. It's because it's oil based, you don't want to like spray it on your shirt. You're gonna like literally stain your shirt, but you spray it on your wrist, you could spray it up here, wherever, and it is so just beautiful smelling, and it's just so much healthier. It actually lasts a long time because the oil stays on your skin, and I am just thrilled to share it with you guys because I feel like more people need to try it. I'm throwing this in last minute. It just seemed like a good segue since we're talking about health stuff, and I've, at length talked about the miracles of castor oil, okay? I just want to tell you my latest story. So Josh has had a really bad bout of pink eye, like bad. And for like a whole week, nothing was working. And I'm sure a lot of you were like, he needs to go to the doctor, get an antibiotic. Do you know my husband? That's not happening. No, it's not happening. He's kind of just been suffering through, and we went like 6 days, and suddenly I had the epiphany, like, castor oil works for everything. Why have we not tried castor oil? Lo and behold, we rubbed it on his eye, and that night it started feeling better. The next day it started looking better. It wasn't completely gone, but it's better now. And I'm telling you, castor oil did it. It's becoming more popular, but I still think this is underrated, and it literally fixes almost everything. All right, so we're out of the health world, although I might be back in a minute, but this is the Maybelline Sky High Mascara Primer. But, it is the tinted one. Everyone talks up the mascara primers when they're like the white gloopy version. A lot of them I don't like. I feel like, the idea behind them, like a mascara primer is cool. Like it's going to make your lashes, thicker and fuller and longer and all the things. But a lot of times it just makes your eyelashes look clumpy because you need to like cover up that white gunk. This is so much better. I don't know how long this has been out there, but nobody talks about this, and it's so much better if you love a primer. It's tinted in like a black, but the thing is, it gives this nice thin layer to your lashes, and then when you go in with your favorite mascara afterwards, it actually makes them longer, thicker, fuller without making them look clumpy. Okay, this is an expensive one, I'm sorry, but it is worth it. And it's annoying because it's like you can't find it anywhere or buy it anywhere than their darn website. It took a lot for me to order this, but my assistant Katie was like, this is the best lip product of her life. Like, she's never wooed or wowed by a lip product, and she was like, you have to order this, Shea. So I did because I love my lip products. I sit here, like, guys, it is so good. It's expensive though, so I'm not saying like everyone needs to try this, but it really, really, really makes your lips look beautiful. It's by Anfisa Skin, which is like a higher end brand. They're very well known for their skin products, but this particular lip product is like a ceramide lip treatment. It has the most interesting, like patented cooling tip. Like, this could be in your 90-degree car. You come back from like shopping, it's still cold. Like, when you put this on your lip, it's ice cold. It feels amazing. And then the actual product is the most pretty, like, light peachy pink color, but it just glosses your lips. And my lips are so bad. I say that every time, but like, truly, they look dry, they look cracked, they look splotchy. And I just like glide this over my lips, and instantly it looks so shiny, hydrated, and just great. It like really makes my lips look good, and I enjoy using it. So I definitely think this is underrated, but totally worth the hype. Another thing that a lot of women just like don't do, but they really should, is have a fake ring for when you go on vacations, or like when you go somewhere and you don't want to like hurt, damage, or lose your real diamond. And so I finally found this one on Amazon. It is like a round stone, which is very similar to the one I have. You can get this in yellow gold, but I went with white gold or silver because that's what I actually have. I'll link a few options down below, but this one is beautiful, and it's great for any time I don't want to lose this one. This is just a really nice ring. So if you just want to maybe change up your set, or you want to, I don't know, experiment and see if that's what you'd want to do in the future, I cannot recommend this ring enough. It is honestly stunning, but obviously there's a lot of other options and designs out there. We're back to the tinfoil hat Shea. I don't care. Another thing that's super underrated is wired headphones. I honestly think every woman, every person should be using wired headphones. I know, we all do the wireless earbuds, like that's the thing, like everyone does it. And the thing is, I have my EMF meter. The EMFs are crazy when it comes to the Bluetooth wireless headphones. And for the longest time, many years, I didn't know how bad it was, and you're sticking it right in between your freaking brain for hours on end. Like, I'm sorry. I really recommend actually investing in just good wired headphones. So this is a brand new one that I ordered for our cabin because I didn't want to be taking my headphones back and forth. But as you can see, it's just next level. Like, this is not like a dinky one. The sound quality is amazing with this one. Most wired headphones are like $20 and the sound quality is pathetic, but this one was designed by like a Grammy award-winning engineer. And then when you slide up the box, it actually has all of these different size settings so that it really fits and like conforms to your ear perfectly. So no longer do you have to actually like, not enjoy what you're listening to. This is healthier for you. And again, the quality is top notch. More women need to know about the tea tree shampoo and conditioner because the men know. The men know because they get their hair cut at Sports Club. So many men get their hair cut there. And when they lay back on that wash basin, they are just, oh man, they are invigorated with this tea tree shampoo and conditioner. And now I understand why. That's how I got this, because Josh goes there and then this appeared. And let me just tell you, I reordered the jumbo sizes because this is the most minty fresh thing I've ever put on my scalp. And the thing is, you want to just leave it on your scalp for like 2 minutes in the shower, and then you're gonna feel this like invigorating, minty, just like experience. This is an experience for like an hour or two after you get out of the shower. I love this stuff so much. Yeah, you should try it. Another underrated product that more women need to know about is some form of lymphatic massage. You can go out and get a lymphatic massage, but it's really expensive. I mean, you can't do it every day or anything, but this thing really works. And I was so skeptical when I first just felt this. I was like, oh, it's just gonna like rub it on your skin. No, you feel something. Like, you feel something, and you go in circular motions, you go towards the lymph nodes, and it flushes out the toxins. And it honestly just does feel really good doing it. And afterwards, again, you can just feel the flow. But another thing I just wanted to add on is the dry brush, because it does a very similar thing, but it feels completely different. And I actually might enjoy this more. And this is like $5 or $6 on Amazon. Everyone should try this. You just dry brush before you get in the shower, and do it in the shower so that all the dry skin just goes onto your shower floor and will just go down the drain. But you just go in upward short directions all over your body towards your heart. And again, it flushes out your lymphatic system. So again, don't forget about the Ebby Bra BOGO sale. Use code Shea BOGO at checkout to buy one bra and get one completely free. Again, no exceptions, no catch. And then everything else that I talked about will also be linked down below in the description box. I'll pin everything as the top comment in the comment section. Please subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.